3 basic rules for setting up your Playspace. Number 1, you want to make sure that everything is ready to play all the time. Guitar is hanging on the wall, ukulele is hanging on the wall, percussion is in a basket, digital piano is set up, chair is there ready to sit on. It is a play space that you could sit down and be playing in 10 seconds or less. That's the kind of rule I have. 10-second rule. Can your family be jamming in 10 seconds or less? If not, we need to refine the Playspace. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your Playspace to ensure that you can follow the 10-second rule. The other couple rules are that it's uncluttered. So many times you will walk into a house and there will be a beautiful grand piano. And what's on top of the piano? A whole bunch of photos, family portraits, a statue, a wooden giraffe. I don't know, people put the craziest things on their musical instruments. Your house is not going to be cluttered like that. Third and final rule is that everything is within arm's reach. You can grab everything quickly. So that ukulele is right there. Grab it, start playing it. If you're sitting at the digital piano and you want to grab yourself a playlist and start jamming, your speaker is right there for you to play on a table right next to it. So, without further ado, let me walk you through how to set up the perfect play space in your home. Okay, so first of all, your digital piano is the centerpiece. That's going to go right against a wall in the center. So everything is going to be organized around the digital piano. The guitar and the ukulele are going to be hanging on a wall either right in front of the piano or to the left or to the right, within arm's reach and on a hook. Not on a music stand on the floor that can get knocked over, but on a hook on the wall. Your music stand is going to be just to the left or the right of the digital piano unless you're using it to read music and look at your lesson book at the piano. Your percussion basket is just going to sit there tucked off next to the piano. There is always going to be a chair that lives in your play space, at least one, sometimes two. Finally, you're going to make sure is that it is well lit. Again, the rule is that it's within arm's reach.